Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add phone number on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Messenger app. What you have to do, you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. You just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here, then you click here on personal details, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on personal details, and it's going to take you here. You click here on contact info, and you click here on add new contact, and you click here on add mobile number, and here you can add your number phone here, and you click here on next, and it's going uh, to give you a code or send you a code, and you add this code, and it's going to add with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.